friends, once again on MOKSH Academy YouTube channel. We have been getting a lot of inquiries from senior physicians, interns, and medical students about their prospects in United Kingdom. Obviously, the pathway to get a GMC license is via the PLAB or the Royal College of Physician examination. However, today I am going to talk to you about a recent survey conducted by BMA, and what I feel post understanding the survey, this is my proposition: why Indian medical students should rethink working in UK NHS as a career option. This is just our plain interpretation of the survey, and obviously at the end of the session I will provide you with a source link of the survey. So ultimately choice is yours, but this is something which it was important for us to put across a message. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead. So recently, British Medical Association conducted a landmark survey of international medical graduates who are practicing in United Kingdom, and we will be hearing in the next few minutes the conclusions of the survey, and some of them are mind-boggling. First of all, NHS risks losing 1/3 of Black and Asian doctors over racism. This is what was the biggest conclusion of the survey. All right. So racism is a big challenge right now in the NHS UK, according to the BMA survey. Now, racism is such widespread that at least 76% of doctors there say that at least 1 or 2 times in the last 2 years they have been facing this racism. This is the feedback or the conclusion of the survey results. It is also said that the overseas doctors who are from Indian origin, Pakistan origin, they are subject to racism more than other physicians. All right. Also, racism reports are highly underreported. So what is it on the surface? Actual cases practically on ground are many more. All right. Reporting experience of racism results in backlash. Why are the reports not reported? Cases not reported is because if the doctors would report their racism issues, they fear backlash, fear of losing the job, fear of visa sponsorship. So that's why they are stuck. All right. And the racism is so rampant that it is started to affect doctors' confidence, mental and physical well-being. Mere bhai, my friends, we are in such a good country. You are in such a noble profession. You have to get the respect you deserve. Why do you want to, get into a system where you are not being in a good mental state of mind? I hope you're able to understand. Racism has impact on career progression, even in promotions, even in future examinations. Everywhere this has been a challenge. Okay, and because of this, many of the doctors are planning to leave. Believe me, I travel across India. I speak to a lot of doctors. Recently, I met somebody, in one of the medical college in India, and the doctor mentioned that during his time, almost 90% of batch went to UK. But reality is, as on date, either they have progressed to United States or many of them have come back to India. So that is the reality. If you accept it, better. Otherwise, you will also waste your precious time, career, and then come back to India. All right. So just so that you are understanding the reality, what I have done, some real workplace comments which were mentioned in the survey, I brought into your notice. Can you believe it? Doctor saying, I have decided not to pursue career in emergency medicine due to the behavior of patients and the relatives. Doctors are saying, I am scared to complain for my manager and colleague. Why? Because it might affect me. They might, make false complaints against me. I am very much stuck. Why? Because the doctors are saying our way, English way, is better than your Indian way. All right. Can you believe it? Absolutely taunting happening. Is there no work in India that you are here in UK? Can you believe it? You have been bullied. I have been bullied, and none of my colleagues wanted to work with me. That is the state. This is the problem. And do you really want to work in such a system where this is what you face on a daily basis, despite the noble profession you are in? So, which is why our advice is to be smart, be effective, watch yourself, check the source of survey, take a screenshot, Google yourself, and find the reality. Our advice is very simple. Ultimately, decision is yours, but remember, your one decision can make or break your career. This is me signing off. But before I go, again, some simple request to each one of you. Just because things are difficult in India, just because USMLE exams are difficult, do not give up. Just because somebody is showing you, easy marketing techniques, gimmicks, slab is easy, don't do that. Just because something is easy, you do not know the future consequences. So be very, very careful. Do not fall for easy. Strive hard. Initial 10 years of your career, moment you enter your med school, if you're going to work hard, later on life will be smooth, and vice versa. With this message, I will sign off. Thank you very much. I wish you all the very best, and we'll see you soon on our future sessions. Do like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so that even they could be saved and their career could be saved. Thank you very much.